Hello everyone from Puppy Terriers. These are Bella's babies. November 15th, 2014. Yesterday they went for their 7-week health check and everybody got an A+. A great health exam. Yay! Woohoo! Hey baby. Okay. Hi. There's Beamer right there. Tamika, watch your collar. Light blue for Beamer. And there's pink for Daisy. Chris Anita, there's Daisy. Watch the pink collar. Red is Hunter. Steven. There's Hunter.
The red guy.
Red collar. That's Hunter. Yep. And green collar Lucas is still available. There's Lucas right there. Lucas! Let's see your face, baby. Do you like the toy or what? Can you let go for just a second? Lucas! Hi! Hey, sweetie. Hi there. Hey, darling. Hey, darling. Hi. You want to look down or what? Okay. Lucas is available. Lucas! No, you can't get out. No. You cannot fly the coop. Okay. There's Lucas. Okay. There's your face. Hey, sweetie. There's Beamer. And Hunter and Daisy got a toy.
This one's pink.
Yeah, it's Daisy. Miss Daisy.
And this one's red.
Daisy. There she is. Hey, sweetie. Hey, guys. Look. Trying to get out. Hunter. There they are. Hey, you two, you can't leave. No. Daisy, no. You can't leave. You can't leave. Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Everybody's trying to fly the coop. Get back in here. Beamer. Hunter. Hunter. Are you having a little fun, guys? Hey, you. Hey, you. Daisy, you cannot get out. Oh, you cannot get out. No. No, sweetie. Stay. Oh, my goodness. Okay, everybody freeze. Nope. I guess that's just the weather, not the puppies. Yeah. Hey, sweetie. Yeah. Hunter.
Yeah. He's coming out with it. He wants his toy outside.
Beamer, no, you're going to have to keep it in here.
He wants it outside.
No, this is the only play area right here for y'all. I'm sorry, baby. No. National Call says, come here.
Yeah, rascal.
That one right there is available. Lucas. Hey, babe. Green collar. Right there.